Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Pickledlove365. This time we're making a tomato cheese pasta, and this is a great dish for your tiffins, for your quick breakfast, and children and adults would like it alike, and it's very easy to make. So we start by just boiling water, adding in a spoonful of salt and just a small cup of raw pasta. Let it boil and cook, and once it's done, you need to add a little oil also while boiling the pasta, and if it's able to cut through like how I've shown you, then that's done. Now you can strain it and put it aside in another bowl. And in the remaining water, don't throw the water, add in just some soup mix. I have added a tomato soup mix to make work easier. This can be over in about 5 minutes. Once the soup mix is boiling, add a little bit more water and then garlic and few basil leaves or coriander leaves, and then add in your boiled pasta. There you go, and just mix it properly. Check your seasonings, add more salt if you like, and stir it properly so that there's no lumps and the soup mix is properly incorporated into this whole dish. Once that's done, add a dab of pepper. If you have oregano, you can add that also. And finally, lower the heat and add in mozzarella cheese. If you have cheese slices, that's also fine. Now cover it and cook at low heat for about 2 minutes, and this is done. Switch off the gas, and it's ready. Serve it in a bowl, and you're good to go. If you've liked this recipe, do follow, subscribe, share it, and like my channel. And you can always visit other easy recipes from Pickledlove365. Thank you and see you soon.